In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Google Drive spam. If you've been getting unwanted files or folders shared to your drive, this quick walkthrough will help you stop them and keep your space clean and safe. First, open your browser and head to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you're seeing the spam. In the top right, click the Google Apps grid icon, the small 3x3 dot menu. From that menu, choose Drive. This opens your Google Drive home, where all your files and folders live. On the left side of Drive, look for the section labeled Shared with Me. This area lists items other people have shared with you, which is often where spam first shows up. Go ahead and click Shared with Me to see those incoming files. If something looks suspicious, don't open it. Opening isn't necessary to block the sender. Find the specific file or folder you want to address. Hover your mouse over it, then click the 3 vertical dots that appear. This is the More Actions menu for that item. This menu gives you options related to the selected file without having to open it. In that menu, choose Report or Block. You'll see options designed to help you handle unwanted content safely. For our purpose, select the option to block followed by the email address of the person who shared the file. Blocking stops that account from sharing anything with you in the future, and it also removes existing items they shared from your Drive view. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm the block. Click Block to confirm. That's it. The sender is now blocked. Their shared item disappears from your Shared with Me section, and they can no longer clutter your Drive with new files. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Blocking is account-specific, so be sure you're working in the right Google account if you use more than one. If you're using a work or school account, features may vary depending on your organization's settings. And remember, you don't need to open suspicious files to block the sender. Staying in the Shared with Me view and using the 3-dot menu is the safest route. If you ever need to reverse this action later, you can manage blocked users from your Google account settings. But for stopping spam right now, the steps you just followed are the fastest and most effective. Keeping Shared with Me tidy helps you focus on files that actually matter, and blocking saves you from repeat interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Google Drive clean and spam-free.